Okay, so thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and today we've got another one of these amazing products from Banggood, specifically from XK, everything you need in the box to get flying. This is the new A120 from XK. So it's the A120, but it looks very similar to the A380 Airbus that we're all familiar with, kind of the cargo passenger airliner, and here it is. So in the box you do get the wing separate from the fuselage. You just have to screw the wing onto the fuselage and then you're ready to go. Comes with a decent sized battery as well, comes with the transmitter, comes with the flight battery that you just pop into the hatch underneath, and you get a USB charger for that as well. All you need to do is put 4 AA's in the back of the transmitter and you're ready to go. So let's fly it and let's see how it goes. Jason is guest cameraman. All right,
Hello.
Jason?
Yeah.
All right, going to pan that way, pan that way. That's all you need to know. There you go, that was pretty good. And that was 4 or 5 minutes of flying, I reckon, and still lots more juice in the pack. So that's the A120, the XK A120 from Banggood.com. Look it up. The link to this product is in the video description if you want to look up the price. Otherwise, thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. See you next time.